Let's explore the patentable aspects at the intersection of 3D printing and biocompatible materials. We're diving straight into what makes advancements in 3D bioprinting eligible for patent protection. The convergence of 3D printing and biomedical technology creates unique patent opportunities. What are the key areas where you should focus your patent efforts in this domain? Focusing on novel biocompatible material compositions is a prime area for intellectual property protection. Also, look for unique innovations in the printing process itself, beyond the materials. Let's zoom in on the materials that are making a difference in medical 3D printing. Patenting the use of hydrogels, polymers, and ceramics specifically for medical applications is crucial. Don't overlook functionalized materials, those with built-in therapeutic properties, for their high patent value. The how of 3D printing is as important as the what. Let's look at process patents. Claims related to nozzle design, precise temperature control, and novel deposition methods are often strong patent candidates. Patenting systems for in situ monitoring and quality control during the printing process adds significant value. Beyond materials and processes, utility patents for the final products are vital. This includes medical devices, biological scaffolds, and innovative tissue engineering solutions created via 3D printing. Patent protection also extends to the integration of 3D printing with surgical planning and truly personalized medicine. It's a dynamic field. Understanding the challenges and landscape is key to successful patenting. Be prepared to navigate issues of obviousness and prior art in this rapidly advancing technological space. Given the global nature of medicine, international patent considerations are critical for market success. To wrap up, strategic intellectual property is essential for leadership in bioprinting. The future of innovation and IP protection in 3D bioprinting remains incredibly bright and promising.